Welcome to Search Engine Optimization for WordPress Secrets. In this video series, I'm going to take you through setting up your WordPress blog to be optimized for the search engines. Let's go ahead and start with discussing why search engine optimization is so important. First of all, it's pretty easy to do. As you'll see, there are a lot of free plugins out there for WordPress that are actually going to make it take away a lot of the hard work and make it pretty easy. It's going to be a matter of just downloading some plugins, installing them, and I'll help you out with that as well. And then also just keeping a few things in mind while you set up your blog and make your posts. It's important to do because most people do not do it. This means that if you do it, take the extra effort to do it, your blog is going to be better than so many more others out there, which means that you'll be able to excel to the top of the search engines and get lots of visitors, which is, of course, the goal of all this. Keyword research can greatly increase your natural search engine rankings. Again, this is something that people just don't do. You know, they'll fire up their blog and they'll just start typing and they'll write what they want to write about. Which of course is what you want to do. However, you want to be guided. You want to think to yourself, if I want to make a post on dog training, what keyword phrase is worth going after that I'll be able to rank for? Again, this is an extra step that I'll show you how to do that will help you rank so much better. The results far outweigh the time required to do SEO, really, especially once you get the hang of it. Of course, you have to spend the initial investment of watching my video series, but once you got it down, it'll be second nature to yourself, and your time spent will so far outweigh the results that you get from it.